Here we are at Springfield Marine, and we are going to give a brief tour of the whole facility. This is before we've done anything lean oriented, so it's just things how they are, and we can compare that to a year from now. Before we go on the tour, I'll give you a reference of where we're going to be walking through. The factory is laid out like a big rectangle. We're going to start here in receiving. Raw materials and inventory comes in. The first stop is inspection. From inspection, raw materials will be produced and then end up on finished goods racks, and then they will exit this way. In short, it pretty much comes in, makes an L, and passes out. In, makes an L, and passes out. There's a lot more steps to it, but this will be the path that we take you through for the video. Here we are in the back by receiving. Boxes are coming in off of shipping containers. We'll pull off the container and staged here, waiting for QA to inspect. QA will then inspect any finished goods and raw materials at this point. After it's inspected, the raw materials will make its way behind our production line. Our production line is set up in the shape of an L, and our storage for everything is actually behind that L. Again, raw material is stored behind the line. All the racks behind the production area, and then the production flows in this L shape until it's completed. Once the production is finished, it will slowly flow its way to the pack-out facility. From here, it'll go onto the finished good racks, which take up the majority of our facility right now. And then everything exits out this way or in the corner.